Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by turning on precise location and setting high accuracy so Waze can see satellites and Wi-Fi signals. This reduces drift. Once done, open Waze and confirm it has location permission. Without that, fixes won't reach the app. Make sure battery saver is off and stop other navigation apps because competing services can steal GPS updates. If Waze prompts to clear cache, do it now to remove stale location data and force a fresh. You now force stop Waze and toggle location off and back on so the app requests a new position immediately. Next, recalibrate your phone's compass by moving it in a figure 8. This corrects heading and prevents wobble when you turn. Make sure Wi-Fi scanning is enabled even if you're not on Wi-Fi. Those networks help refine position. Finally, reboot the phone to refresh apps and cellular assist data so fixes come faster and more stable when Waze restarts. You complete by launching a short route in Waze and watching the blue dot. A steady dot and correct heading mean you're good to go. If the dot still jumps or lags, reinstall Waze to reset app data or reset network settings to clear corrupt apps profiles. Make sure you test outdoors with a clear sky for the best satellite lock. Trees, tall buildings, or thick cases can block signals. If problems continue, try a different phone to isolate hardware versus software issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.